Hello everyone, welcome today in the daily newspaper of a Tuesday. Yes, it's Tuesday, March the 29th, 2022. Here in this daily newspaper we have only one regular Sudoku, and it's a medium Sudoku. And in this newspaper we have also an additional with 9 extra puzzles. 1 star, the 2 stars, the 3 stars, the 4 stars, tectonic with 4 stars, tectonic with 1 star, the binary puzzle number 1 and the binary puzzle number 2, and the killer Sudoku. So 9 extra puzzles, half of them I will solve, and also this medium Sudoku. And the news of today, yes, let me show you the news of today. Well, Will Smith has won an Oscar, and also he slapped Chris Rock for insulting his wife. Yes. All right. Let me start with the medium Sudoku number 4325. 4325. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one has 27 printed digits. Correct me if I'm wrong, okay? If you compare with the 1 star, 2 stars, 3 stars, and the 4 stars Sudokus, this will be a 1 star. For 1 star puzzle, I need to be faster than 15 minutes. All right. Great. So let's get started. Let me see. Yeah. How about? Let me see. 4, 3, 6. 1, 9, and 5. 1, 9, 5. Okay. In this big square, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 missing numbers. 3 of those missing numbers are the numbers 4, 3, and 6. We have a 6, 3, and a 4 in this column. So no 4, 6, 3 in these 3 boxes. The 4, 6, and the 3 goes in those 3 boxes. Well, we have a 4 there, so no 4 there. So the 4 could be here, could be there. The 6 and the 3, we have a 3 here, so no 3 there. So the 3 could be here, could be there. And the 6 could be everywhere. So what are the other 3 numbers in this, in this big square? The 1 is missing, the 5 is missing, and the 9 is missing. 159. 159, and look, we have a 1 and a 9 in this row. So no 1 and a 9 in this box. The 1 and a 9 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 1 and a 9, 1 and a 9. We have a 9 there, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and a 1 goes there. So 1 digit left in this big square for number 5. All right, 5 in this column, 5 in the column next, so last column. Only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. We see there 5, no 5 there, 5 should be there. All right. 1, 2, 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 5. We see here 5 in this column, so no 5 in this box. Here 5 in this row, so no 5 in that box. So 1 box left for the 5. Should be there. 5 in this column, 5 in the middle column. So the column next, the only 3 places left for the 5 should be here, or there. We see there 5, no 5 there. Here 5, no 5 there. The only place left for the 5 should be there. 5 in the first column, 5 in the second column. So in the third column, the only 3 places left for the 5 should be here, here, or there. We see there 5, no 5 there, here, 5, no 5 there. The only place left for the 5 should be there. And all the 5s are used. I can see. Digit number 1, number 5. Alright. Okay. Then 2 numbers left in this big square. 4 numbers, 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, and the 7 are missing. 6 and the 7, 6 and the 7. We see there 7, no 7 there, 7 should be here, and the 6, it goes there. 2 numbers left in this middle row. 4 numbers, 1, the 2, the 3, the 4 is missing, the 5, the 6, the 7, and the 8 is missing. 4 and 8, 4 and 8. Let me mark those 2 boxes. Alright, so we have a 3 in the third column, 3 in the first column, so the column between the second column, the only place left for 3 should be there. 3 in this row, 3 in the last row, so the row between the only 2 places left for the 3 should be here or there. We see there 3, no 3 there, 3 should be there. 3 in this column, 3 in that column. So the column between the middle column, the only 3 places left for the 3 should be here, here, or there. We see there 3, no 3 there, here, 3, no 3 there. The only place left for the 3 should be there. And all the 3s are not used. Not used. 3 in the last column, 3 in that column, so the column between the only 2 places left for the 3 should be here or there. We see there 3, no 3 there, 3 should be there. Now I can count. And all the 3s are used. I can see. Digit number 2, number 3. So now we have 2 missing numbers in this big square. 4 numbers, 4 and a 6. 4 and the 6 are missing. We have a 4 there, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 6, it goes there. Alright. Then 2 numbers left in this row. For the number 1 is missing, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, and the 7 is missing. 1 and the 7, 1 and the 7. Let me mark those 2 boxes. The other pair in this big square are the numbers 1, the 2 is missing, the 3, the 4, the 5, and the 6 is missing. 2 and a 6, 2 and a 6. We have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 6, it goes there. 2 in the first column, 2 in the third column. So the column between the second column, the only place left for the 2 should... Oh, we already have a 2 there. Mistake. Could be happened. Mistake. Overlook this 2. So it cannot be a 2. Not possible. Okay. Well. All right. Then. We have a 9 in this row. 9 in the last row. So the row between the only place left for the 9 should be there. 2 numbers left in this middle column for the numbers 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7 is missing. The 8 and the 9 is missing. 7, 9, 7, and 9. We have a 7 there, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 9 goes there. 7 in the first row, 7 in the third row. So the row between the second row, the only 2 places left for the 7 should be here or there. We see there 7, no 7 there. 7 should be there. Alright. Then 2 numbers left in this column. 4 numbers are 1. The 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. 2 and 8, 2 and 8. We have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and 8, it goes there. Alright. Then. How about Mm. Two, two. 6, 6. 60, yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing number is a 6. We have a 6 in the last row, so no 6 in these two boxes. So the 6 could be here, could be there. 6 in one of those two boxes in this row, 6 in the last row. So the row between, the only two places left for the 6 should be here or there. We see there's 6, no 6, there's 6. Should be there. Alright. 6 in this column, 6 in the column next. So last column, only place left for the 6 should be there. 6 in the third column, 6 in the first column. So the column between the second column, only two places left for the 6 should be here or there. We see there's 6, no 6, there's 6 should be here. 6 in the third row, 6 in the second row. So the first row, the only place left for the 6 should be there. I've marked those two boxes earlier with the 6. So this box can't be 6 anymore because we have a 6 over there. So one box left for the 6 should be here. And all the 6s are used. I can see. Digit number 3, number 6. 2 missing numbers in the last column. 4 numbers, so 1 is missing. The 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, and the 7 is missing. 1 and the 7, 1 and the 7. Let me mark those two boxes. The other pair in this big square are the numbers 1 and the 2, the 3, the 4 is missing. The 5, the 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. 4 and 8, 4 and 8. We have a 4 there, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 8 goes there. Alright, 4 in the last row, 4 in the row above. So on that row, only place left for the 4 should be there. Now we have a 4 here. So this box can't be 4 anymore. That box should be a 4. And this box should be an 8. Alright. 2 numbers left in this row. 4 numbers 1 and a 7. 1 and the 7. We see here 7, no 7 there. 7 should be here. And the 1 goes there. 1 box left in this big square for number 1. Okay. Then. 2 numbers left in the first row. 4 numbers. 1 is missing. The 2, the 3, and the 4 is missing. 1 and a 4, 1 and a 4. We have a 4 there, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 1 goes there. 4 in the first row, 4 in the third row. So the row between the second row, the only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We see that 4, no 4 there, 4 should be here. 2 numbers left. Oh wait, and all the 4s are used. I can see digit number 4, number 4. 2 numbers left in this big square. 4 numbers 1, the 2 is missing, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, and the 7 is missing. 2 and the 7, 2 and the 7. We have a 7 there, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 2 goes here. 1 box left in this column for number 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8 is missing. 2 numbers left in this big square. 4 numbers, so 1 is missing, and the 2 is missing. 1 and 2, 1 and the 2. Okay, 2 numbers left in this big square. 4 numbers 1, the 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, and the 9 is missing. 2 and the 9, 2 and the 9. Let me mark those. 2 numbers left in the last row. 4 numbers 1 is missing. The 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. 1 and 8, 1 and 8. Let me mark those 2 boxes. That means 1 box left in this big square for number 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7 is missing. Now we have a 7 here, so this box can be 7 anymore. That box should be a 7, and this box should be a 1. 1 box left in this first column for number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. The 8, the 9 is missing. Now we have a 9 there, so this box can be 9 and more. That box should be a 9. And this box should be a 2. Now we have a 2 there, so this box can be 2 and more. That box should be a 2. And this box should be a 1. 2 numbers left in this big square. 4 numbers. 1 is missing. The 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. 1 and an 8, 1 and an 8. We have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and 8 goes there. Now we have an 8 there, so this box can be an 8 anymore. That box should be an 8. And this box should be a 1. Finish in 15 minutes. Told you. Need to be faster than 15 minutes. Talk too much in the beginning. But I like this one. I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching. And before I leave, I'm interested in the center boxes of the big squares. I'm collecting those data for more than 6 weeks. Maybe I can see a pattern. Maybe you can see a pattern. Okay. So here we have 6, 3, 2, 6, 3, 2, the 4, 6, 7, the 4, 6, 7, and the 5, 4, 8, 5, 4, 8. Well, we have here 2 pairs, I believe. The 6 and the 4s. Yeah, alright, 2 pairs. I like this. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you later for the other 4 puzzles in additional. See you then. Bye bye for now.